What's up, everybody? So I got this new to me 2006 Honda CRF 80F, and I've been trying to get it to run a little bit better by making the carb adjustments. Um, Everyone knows, the idle screw is here, but to try and adjust this air mixture screw, you almost always have to take it to the dealership. I did find one video on YouTube where a guy drilled into there to remove that D-shaped brass plug and then took a 22 caliber shell casing and shaped it to it and was able to make adjustments that way. And I was just about to do that. I got my center punch and some drill bits down here on the floor when I thought, what could I use to try and remove that plug? And what I come up with is this. This was a bullet electrical wire connector. It's similar to like one of these wire quick disconnects. I just took the reverse end. I use that bullet connector because it's a little bit more of a harder plastic. These you would normally crimp onto wires and just push them together. And if you look, it grabs that plug perfectly and it won't let go. I was able to push it in there, grab it with a pair of pliers, and completely remove that air mixture screw. And now I can make adjustments as I need to without having to drill into it and possibly damage the carburetor. If this video helped you, leave a comment. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.